Righto, so we are now back up doing a straight pull. Obviously we've got the hook here onto the soft shackle, making sure that everything's still secure. Tree trunk protector around the tree. Once again, the two hoops inside each other, and then just pretty much just straight onto the hook. It's clicked in, it's locked in. What we're going to do with the dampener blanket, halfway down, we'll attach it over the top of the synthetic rope, and then we'll go back to the vehicle and we'll start our pull.